Website audit. Start a website audit using a premium tool such as SEMrush, Arif, Screaming Frog, etc. for identifying issues that need to be fixed. These issues can be identified by scanning your site through a site audit tool. Regular website audits will ensure your client's website remains continuously optimized for SEO success and search engine traffic. Common issues are broken links, technical problems on-page and off-page, SEO issues, duplicate contents, website loading speed, crawl errors including pages blocked by robots.txt, UX, mobile friendliness, HTTPS, XML, sitemap, etc. Some main SEO issues are non-optimized or missing title tags and meta descriptions, anchor text, internal links, image alt text, header tag H1, H2, incorrect schema markup, improper setup of Google Analytics, etc. Find and fix keywords cannibalization issues for pages that rank for the same search queries in Google. Make use of tools such as Google Autosuggest, KeywordTool.io, Keyword Explorer, Ubersuggest, AnswerThePublic.com, etc. to know about what people search online related to your product or services. The different types of website audits are: 1. SEO audit. Evaluate search engines' friendliness of your website using a site audit tool in a number of areas: analysis of on-page and off-page, SEO ranking factors, keywords, local SEO, social media, technical elements, indexing, site structure, accessibility, conversions, links, Google penalties, competitive analysis, etc. 2. Design audit. In a design audit, check how users engage with the current design and ease of navigation on your website. To build trust and recognition, remain focused on a professional and consistent site structure in terms of design, usability, and user experience. 3. Technical audit. Check for crawl errors, indexing, mobile first indexing, HTTPS, hreflang, canonical tags, redirects, XML sitemap, duplicate content, robot.txt, broken links, page speed, etc. 4. Website speed audit. If the site takes more than 5 seconds to load, you need to find ways to boost your website speed. Conduct an analysis of desktop and mobile website speed using a tool such as GTmetrix to find out the reason for longer load times. Fix the parameters that contribute to a low website speed. 5. Content audit. Find out if the content contains well-researched keywords for matching search intent. SEO best practices are followed to organize and structure your content. Ensure content is unique, non-plagiarized, having internal links to relevant pages and external links to reputable sites. 6. Pixel tracking audit of your site allows you to identify and list all tags fired on a specific web page or website. Find particular web pages that may need tag execution. Tags testing to find if tags have been correctly implemented. Ensure seamless collection of data on visitors' behavior. Locate tags that cause problems or have become redundant. 7. Site health audit. Follow a regular maintenance schedule for your website by research and keyword analysis. Find keywords used by your competitors that account for higher views and ranking. In-depth SEO content analysis using paid and organic search for ranking well on SERPs. Finding out whether web pages have been indexed and are accessible to users. 8. Competitor website audit. Start with a list of your competitors and use your website as a baseline when making comparison. Look for keyword opportunities. Overall UX for user engagement. Analysis of content footprints and traffic sources. Lead generation strategies followed to get more leads. Social media activity audit. Use audit tool to determine more insights. 9. Social media audit. Analyze your social media profile, competitors and influencers, social media analytics, reach, followers, interest, demographic, publishing frequency, engagement metric, community management, most engaging content, top performing content, likes, comments, shares, brand mentions, retweet, etc. Source traffic. Track your social media traffic in Google. 10. CRO audit. A CRO audit will address your website's high bounce rate on non-converting traffic by improving sales or sign-ups without an increase in other marketing costs. A competitors analysis, keyword research, and SEO analysis of your site can help fix gaps and identify search traffic sources that are more likely to register and increase in visitors, time on the site with conversions. 11. Structured data audit. An audit of structured data ensures the correct implementation, offering value to both search engine and users. Structured data on websites need to align markup from schema.org vocabulary and include validation for errors and warning as per Google's structured data. 12. E-commerce website audit. Apart from basic website audit, address gap for easy reach to product and cart page from other pages of the website. Breadcrumb product catalog navigation, remarketing and abandoning cart email autoresponder. Following the bad practice of a third-party checkup route, various payment options and an easy checkout process, shipping, returns and exchange policies. 13. The online reputation audit helps understand a brand's positive and negative reputation among its audience. This is measured through the comment, reviews, and shares the brand gets on various social media platforms. Use online reputation management tools for continuous monitoring for mentions. Detect fraudulent blacklisted websites that are linked to your website and prevent malware. 14. Website security audit can identify security breaches and site structure vulnerabilities. Scan your website for different types of vulnerabilities using a malware security scanner tool such as Sucuri. Conduct penetration tests using a Pentest web server vulnerability scanner to find out the severity of each vulnerability. 15. Carry out a local SEO audit by claiming your local business listings, Google My Business, Yelp, etc. Ensuring correct citation profile, geo-targeting, NAP, Google Map, and driving direction, including localized SEO content, doing a competitors analysis, and have a social media presence. 16. Penalty recovery audit. A manual or algorithmic penalty will downgrade your website visibility and traffic. To figure what caused you to be hit with a Google search penalty, first analyze your existing link profile and neutralize malicious links. Identify and evaluate all unnatural links for removal. Submit your links for disavow and send a reconsideration request to Google. Free browser Firefox extensions such as Foxy SEO, Mongoose SEO extension, Link Redirect Trace, Link Research SEO, WooRank, etc. provides a view of key SEO metrics for all pages you visit. For more details, subscribe to my blog jobs.sackcanvas.com/website audit.